Creating stitches manually takes hours, but what if you could generate them in just one click? This is Stitch Generator. Select an edge loop, click Generate, and your stitches are ready. The add-on includes 50 ready-to-use stitches, so you can quickly match any style or project. You can switch between them anytime using Load Asset. You have full control over your stitches. Vector for precise alignment. Automatic for smoother curves. Adjust offset and Z-offset for positioning. Scale for size and tilt for angle. Use twist settings to control how stitches follow curves. Fine-tune everything with smooth factor and resolution. If you need better performance, use Decimate to reduce geometry in real time. If you want to speed up your workflow and save hours of work, check out Stitch Generator on Gumroad or Superhive. Missing a stitch? Let me know. I will add community suggestion in the next update. This is first version of Stitch Generator, so if you find any bugs, feel free to report them. Thanks for watching and see you in the next update.